Thanksgiving. I'm going to tend to my garden, even though I could probably kill a cactus. I dare you to write in the comment section, that is not your hair, Viv. Try it if you bad. Try it. Hey beauties, it's Viviana, and today, so if you are subscribed to my channel and you saw last week's video, you would have been expecting today's video for me to be trimming my hair. However, HerGivenHair Black Friday sale is starting, so we have to put everything on pause. Thank you HerGivenHair for another sponsored video on this channel. So it's almost winter, and that means the air is getting drier, which means my hair is going to get drier. So it's actually a perfect time to pull out the wigs, but if you're anything like me, I can't slay no lace. Well, I've tried it before and I wasn't so bad, but that take too damn long. That is why I picked out these 3 wigs from HerGivenHair. Actually, I picked out 4 wigs, but I already showed you the first one, the 3-in-1 half wig. I already showed you some bum styles with that one, so I'll leave that video down in the description box and up in the iCards so you can go refresh your memory on that one. So when I picked out these wigs from HerGivenHair, my intention was I wanted to try some different curl pattern. 3B, 3C, 4B, 4C, and a blowout. This first wig I have worn to the ground. I have been wearing this wig ever since I landed in Canada, okay? I'm gonna call this my university wig because haven't had any time to actually do anything else to my hair. This is a headband wig, and it's the Coily and Curly multi-textured unit in 18 inches, and it mimics a natural 3B, 3C texture. I have literally woken up late for school already and had to put this on in less than a minute.
Guys, I just left out of the house and I was walking to bus stop. Took out my camera to film that. You see that? That there's like cold air coming from my mouth, and then I looked at myself. I don't have on my wig. Yeah.
A few moments later.
Fixed it.
Hold up. I just went on the website. I have been wearing this as my wig cap. It's apparently a headband. I'm gonna tell you this and I don't want any judgment. Basically, I sleep with this, I wake up, I throw on my shower cap over it when I'm bathing, and then I put on my wig and head out through the door. Well, of course, after putting on clothes. So this is how I sleep with the sleep cap. And then to convert it to a wig cap, I just tuck this in. Then with the back comb, I find the center. And then, ooh! You know what I forgot to do? Darn it. Wait, no. Okay. Wait. First, I put my headband over my head. I have actually learned to do this first. It is a lot easier to put the headband around my neck first and then put on the wig. So then I attach the back comb. Then I pull the wig all the way forward. And then I want some of my hairline to show. Now, when I have my hair in my jumbo plaits, I tend to show more of the front of my hair with this headband wig. But when I'm wearing cornrows, I just want the tippy front of my hair to show. Then I slide the wig cap back some more. And then I use the side comb. And I stick it into the side of the cornrow. So it doesn't irritate my head and it's very comfortable. And then now, with the Velcro straps, I pull it tightly. And when I tell you, this thing has held to my head in some really strong winds here in Canada.
The breeze is kicking.
This is secure onto my head, alright? This is secure. And then finally, I just put my headband over the wig band. I find that when you wear headband wigs, the more hairline you show, but not too much, the more realistic the headband wig looks. And yes, I do have a little gray hair. I don't find that being a problem. I hope you don't. The only thing is, I need to start treating it better when I take it off my head, because I just pop it off and hang it on my doorknob. I don't have any mannequin head yet, so yeah, I need to practice putting it back into my satin bag that was given to me by HerGivenHair. But man, you see when you come in and you're tired, trust me, this hair has been holding up very well. So this next wig is a 4B 4C texture. When I saw this wig on the website, this pineapple looking style, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to try this. And this is after I have washed and detangled the hair and also added just the tiniest bit of gel to it. And it's really mimicking the kinks. I'm so excited to try this one. This is also not a traditional wig cap. This is a winter cap that is supposed to be worn under helmets or something like that. I don't know. I saw it and I thought, hey, why not? It would keep my head warm. So I'm going to loosen the elastic. All right. And this one comes with 4 combs. But as usual, I'm just going to try and use 3 of them. So let's attach the back first. So with this wig, it is really nice and snug, and I don't think there's any breeze that can take this off my head. But just in case, I'm going to use the side comb and stick it into the side cornrows. See? Going to spray the hair with some braid sheen spray. So the hair is just washed, and the only thing it has in it right now is leave-in conditioner and a little bit of gel. So all I can do is like pull the boning down, you see? Look at that. Look at that. Versus if like I had it up in the air like that. Yeah, no. You want to use this to hold the shape. And let's remember, I do have a lot of hair squished under here, all right? So, I mean, it's doing a pretty good job blending it in. But I think I can even do a better job. Hold on. So I did pick up this scarf from the beauty supply store. It's a silky satin wrap scarf. So 1 knot and a bow. Then with the ends of the bow, I'm just going to tuck it back into the scarf. Look at that! And then just love that. I mean, you can put it to the center. Let me pick it a bit. Add some fluff. And just as I would my natural hair. See, my little afro. My little afro. I love this one. Alright. The last wig. And this wig is the Kinky Blowout Glam Hues in 16 inches. And this is after I have washed and detangled the hair. So this wig comes with 3 combs, one at the back, 2 at the side, and none at the front because it does have a tiny bit of lace. But as promised, with all these wigs, you are not going to have to worry about blending any lace. So this is not blending lace. This is lace to help the bangs to look as natural as possible. So let's cut the extra lace first. So let's just throw it on. Secure the back. Pull the wig forward. Let me explain why the wig is currently going up. Because I don't have any mannequin head to hang the wig while it dries, I had to hang the wig upside down on a hook for it to dry. So it dried upside down. So yeah, that is why now when I flip it over to put it on my head, it's going up in the air. Okay, that's how it is with textured hair. It stays where it's dried. But we're gonna fix that. So if I was home with all my tools, I'll be going through the bands right now with a flat iron, my timer ring, or a large barrel curling iron. But because I didn't come here with any of those tools, I'm going to actually try to use the straight and go with my blow dryer to smooth out the bangs. So this is a pre-styled wig, so it already has layers in it. But you can definitely cut some more if you want. And I don't want to do too much cutting to it without my flat iron and my curling iron to really style this hair. But I mean, for somebody that just working with a blow dryer and a little cheapy straight and go, this wig is pretty forgiving. Look at the volume. Look at the volume. Imagine this with a twist out or a braid out or some flexi rod curls. Like, ooh, you know what would look nice? I'm telling you, the only thing this wig is missing is a little bump under of the bangs with my big curling iron. Yes, that would have been it. But I mean, let me show you what these 16 inches look like from the back. And I did not trim this hair. This is exactly how nice and full the ends came. I thought the headband wig was my favorite, and then I tried on the pineapple wig, and then that became my favorite, and then I tried on this blowout wig, and now this is my favorite. And let's not even bring it to the competition, the 3-in-1 half wig from HerGivenHair that I already did a video on before. I can't pick a favorite. Let me know down in the comment section which wig is your favorite and which wig you will be purchasing. I'm really bad at wigging. I'll have the link to each of these wigs down below in the description box, along with a discount code just for my subscribers. Okay beauties, if you did enjoy this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Thank you again to HerGivenHair for sponsoring once again another video on my channel. If you're new to my channel and you haven't decided from this one video that you want to subscribe, I really am not sure why not, honestly. It's alright, you have time to make up for it. I'll leave some more of my videos up in the iCards and in the description box so you can watch more, get more familiar with my channel, and then after 1 or 2 videos you should realize by then that you actually enjoy my content here, and it just makes sense to subscribe. Okay beauties, thanks again for watching.